Welcome to this quick guide on how to view live view and take snapshots. To view the live stream, start by selecting your tracker. Then select the orange Videos button to open the video menu on the right. At the bottom right of the menu, select the Live Video button to bring up the live stream from your camera. From here, you can toggle between the inside and outside view depending on what you want to monitor. You also have the option to select the camera icon to take a snapshot. This will download the image directly to your computer. If you want to enlarge your live stream, simply select the arrows icon to bring the stream to full screen for a better view. You can also take a snapshot by navigating to the Snapshot button located at the bottom right of the Videos menu. From here, you can also toggle between the inside and outside view and download the snapshot directly to your computer. And that's it! This is how you view live view and take snapshots.